Welcome everybody to the home of the deck pick, the TNS Snackatorium. I'm joined today by Max.
What's up, everybody?
We're going to do something a little bit different today. Max likes to do like eating challenges. And he's been known to make some chicken protein shakes.
Hungry we devour, put in the work hours, like in some more in my veins. And so what's my motherfucking name? Face now we escalating, when I have to but boost asses. Mean on ya, like a dream when I'm rumbling, you're gonna scream mama, so bring drama.
You want to tell the backstory behind that a little bit?
Well, my first chicken shake, blended meal was because I had an operation in my mouth and I was in the middle of prep, so I couldn't afford a milkshake. So I did a chicken and rice shake. And then I went to my Instagram following, and I believe it might have been you that suggested it. An all-star special from Waffle House would be the next shake.
This is a long time coming, like brainchild, kicking around idea. So what we have here in this Ninja Blender is a Waffle House all-star special. We're gonna pair it with a Lean Body Cafe Mocha drink. I don't know if it's gonna get mixed in or if it's gonna be on the side, but it's an adventure for everybody. We'll figure it out as we go along. Max has done us the pleasure of prepping our cups.
Got a nice ketchup and syrup.
What's the matter? Your mama didn't teach you how to chug?
I don't know, what do you call it?
I don't know, garnish?
Garnish?
Yeah.
If you don't know what's in an all-star special, it's a waffle, hash browns, bacon, 2 eggs, toast, and you get jelly and ketchup on the side, some syrup if you want it. Cool.
God bless America.
God bless
That's all I
America.
have to fucking say. I'm gonna...
Top with some syrup.
Yeah. I have a sweet tooth, so I don't know if you want to. It's kind of like art, like cappuccino art.
Should put some Lean Body on the top, too.
Yeah, fuck it. We ball. I think this is the first time we've met in person.
It is, yeah. Believe so.
We're doing it the right way.
We're doing it. This is the way to do it. I think I can drink with the helmet on. We'll be good.
Yeah.
We'll be good.
Yeah.
All right.
Cheers, buddy.
Are we going to do the whole thing or just like a sip?
I'm not gonna drink the whole thing in one shot, probably. I'll do enough to like...
We'll do a sip,
like I have the
review,
whole experience.
and then I might drink the whole thing.
And then, I'll finish it.
All right.
For sure.
All right. Yeah,
Cheers.
So cheers.
That's good. You can taste the bacon.
It's not bad. It's not bad at all. It's pretty good. There's a lot of bacon bits.
The bacon is like the prevailing. Everything else is just kind of a background.
Yeah, it's just kind of like batter or something, but the bacon's definitely there. It's pretty good. It's not bad at all. It's pretty good.
It's good.
It's good.
It's good.
It's good.
I would drink it again if it wasn't like the nutritional value of a Waffle House all-star special. I'm enjoying this. You want to give it a score from 0 to 10? With no reference?
It's an easy, like, at least an 8.
Yeah, I agree. At
least an 8.
Yeah.
8.2. Like an 8.2.
Yeah. I'm going to go, we'll say 8.7.
It's better than a chicken shake.
It's really good. Yeah, it has to be better than a chicken shake. Well, you can't get this at the TNS Snackatorium.
Can't.
Unless you bring
in your own all-star special.
Waffle House All-Star Special and ask Austin to use the blender. But you can get any of these wonderful snacks behind me at the TNS Snackatorium. I am currently horny for these sweet rolls here that are really good. The legendary sweet rolls and the Prime Bites brownies. Do you have like a favorite go-to snack?
Go-to snack?
Yeah.
Well, I think we're out. But the legendary sweet roll, the cinnamon one, is pretty spot on. The wild berry kind of reminds me of like the wild berry Pop-Tart, so that's pretty fire. Yeah, I kind of like the brownies. I'm a big brownie guy.
Yeah, the brownie
can't go wrong.
There's a variety of them, and like the consistency doesn't suck.
No,
So I'm big.
there's some moisture in there.
Thank you so much for doing
Of course,
this.
it was a great experience. I'm glad.
Thank you,
Got to be a part
everybody.
of deck pick.
And life's a deck. Sit on it. I think we have a new catchphrase. Join us next time. Hell yeah, dude. This is actually pretty good. I was surprised. You have an extra if anybody wants some.